Today we will be learning how to add a parent and child project budget in PMIS. Once logged on to the PMIS website, you'll be able to find your projects here under the My Projects, as well as in the CIP drop-down menu under Projects. Once all the projects have been loaded, you can filter for the project you need by using the filter icon here or the project number search box. You can also directly select it from the project name list. On the left-hand side of the screen will be all features that help to define your project. Today we'll be focused on the budget tool. The budget information tab can only be edited once a schedule has been defined. The initial group categories and cost categories in the budget information box will be added based on your schedule. Therefore, the cost categories as well as the council approval or milestone dates will all be updated according to that schedule. The cost estimates can be added by double-clicking within the PM estimate column and entering the cost. Enter the PM cost estimate for each cost category. To add a new budget estimate category, select the cost category icon. Use the drop-down to define the group the cost is from, then use the cost category drop-down to record which specific category the cost is within that group. Then select Next. On the next screen, select the phase of the project the cost is for, type in the cost category or milestone name, and then select a milestone date. The milestone date is the phase end or council approval date for that cost. Then select Save. Back at the budget information screen, the cost categories are now all up to date. A PM estimate will need to be recorded for the new cost category that was just added. At this point in time, the cost category, as well as the PM estimate and the basis of estimate can all still be changed. When you add a new cost category, as we did, the schedule will get updated as well. The milestone date you selected will be added in as the planned end date for the newly added milestone. Back at the budget screen, the PM should verify the budget when changes are made or reports are necessary to ensure all information is accurate. It is the PM's responsibility to make sure all cost categories are up to date for their given projects. The PM should verify the budget at a minimum of every 30 days. When the budget has been verified, check the Verified Budget box, and PMIS will record the date, time, and your name for record purposes. When satisfied with all budget information, select the Save icon. Even after the Save icon has been selected, the cost categories can still be updated. In order to add a budget to a child project, you will need to open the General Project screen. To do this, select General on the left-hand side. Finding the child project this way can only be done if you're the PM of the parent project. Note, if you are the PM of the child project and not the PM of the parent project, you'll need to go back to the CIP, Projects, and filter for the child project that way. Scroll down to where the child projects have been set up and click on which child project you'd like to add a budget to. Note that there will be no schedule set up for a child project. The child project schedule will be based on the parent project. As we did for the parent project, we will need to select Budget on the left-hand side. The budget information screen will be similar to that of the parent project, except for there will be no cost category group categories automatically loaded because there is not a schedule already set up. So each cost category will need to be added individually. When adding a cost category to a child project, it should fit within the cost category and schedule of the parent project. If the phase milestone is not available in the parent project, the child project's PM will have to ask the parent project PM to add it to their schedule. The PM estimate could be entered here, just as we had done before. The phase end council approval date, as well as the basis of estimate, have been updated for you from the parent schedule. When satisfied with this budget, you can go ahead and hit the Save icon. A few tools to note on the budget screen are your View History and your Print to Excel. I'll first show you the Print to Excel tool. You may have to enable the pop-up blocker as the tool is trying to open in Excel. The Print to Excel function will print your budget information to an Excel for printing purposes as well as other purposes outside of PMIS. Another tool at the budget screen is the View History icon. This will allow you to view all history changes to your budget for your project. As you can see for this project, no changes have been made. Therefore, the Excel is found to be blank. You should now be able to update a parent and child's PM estimates for a project budget and understand the relationship between the budget and the schedule screens through PMIS. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.